Hi everybody, today we're going to make halibut in lemon caper sauce. This is Roz Carreri from Nona's Italian Kitchen. So first of all, you want to get your halibut out and tap it dry. Just put it between a couple of paper towels and tap lightly. Then get a wide frying pan and pour 3 tablespoons of olive oil in. When the oil is hot, add the halibut and sear for 3 minutes. Season the first side with salt and pepper and paprika. Again, sear it for 3 minutes and then turn it over very carefully, and you're going to sear it for another 3 minutes. But first, add a little bit of butter, and then you're going to want to salt and pepper and sprinkle paprika on the other side while you sear for those 3 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of capers. Then you're going to add 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now you're going to continue to simmer and allow that sauce to bubble and flavor up the halibut. Then you're going to add 1/3 cup of heavy cream and 1/4 cup of minced Italian parsley. And it's just going to come together beautifully. Add a bit more butter if you like, simmer, and the sauce is going to thicken very nicely. Then you're going to spoon the sauce over the halibut, and this goes very quickly. Continue to let it bubble until it thickens. Plate your halibut, spoon the sauce over it several times, and it's just ready to serve and enjoy. Garnish with some fresh lemon zest as well. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think. I hope that you subscribe. Ciao.